Today we're going to cook something very nice, beautiful, al bacio. I'm going to make spaghetti with beetroot and feta cheese. Absolutely delicious and super easy. The water is already ready to put the pasta in. I have 4 beetroot I bought from the supermarket. They plain one but already cooked. You just have to chop it. I'm gonna use maybe 2-3 of these. Later I'm gonna use some salt and pepper, lemon. I have to add the feta cheese and some soft cheese, like this one. You know, this is like Philadelphia. I'm gonna use some chives just to decorate on the top. We put some feta inside. Try to keep one piece like that because we need in the end, okay? Soft cheese inside. We put a little bit of lemon juice, salt, how much you like, some pepper, olive oil. And now this water here is already salty. Put a little bit of water inside, not too much. If we need more, we're gonna put. We put the spaghetti in. Okay guys, when you're gonna have something very smooth, like this, try about salt and pepper. Lemon is perfect. Oh wow. Okay guys, when the spaghetti they al dente, very al dente, the pan gonna be hot. Put some water, beetroot sauce. Yeah. Now we're gonna add the spaghetti inside here, and we're gonna cook a little bit together, and the job is done. Now we mix everything, and we leave them to cook a little bit. You know, something different, very easy. Leave a little bit to cook because the spaghetti that was al dente. It needs another 2 minutes. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, but we cook very good. My beetroot pasta and feta cheese is this always al bacio. But when you put in the plate, add some feta just by hand like this. A little touch of lemon zest, like this, and the chive. This is the plate. Okay? Al bacio. If you like, always guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao!